What is an instructor role on your Zenler site? You can set users up to be instructors, and they are to be able to create courses and control their own course content. Certain things instructors cannot do is they cannot touch the marketing funnels, send email broadcasts, go into the site settings. They cannot go into integrations. They cannot change the Zenler plan. They cannot do course purchases because they're already in there. They cannot change the API key. They cannot do community management. They cannot touch the partner program, and they can't enter different subsites that you've set up if you're on the paid plan. Let's now have a look at the instructor role in here from your super admin side. As you can see in here, it's pretty much the same as yours, except their role is instructor. So let's jump in now and see what this instructor sees in their dashboard. Let's log in with our email and our password. Log in. And as you can see, they have access here to their sales inside here and any courses or lives that they set up. So if they go into courses, they have not created a course. Now remember that you as super site admin have already created the EU course, but they show none of those courses inside here because they are controlling their course as the instructor of that course. Now if we go to site, you can see that it will show students within their courses. They can also go into lives and set these up within here. They will only see their lives inside here. They can view reports on the courses. They can preview the site, and they can go into their account here and make changes as per a normal account setting. It's important to note that if you add the role or you change one of your courses in site admin to this instructor, they will have access then to this course. Let me jump back to the site admin and show you. Let's go to course. Let's change this course. Go to course details, and we have the instructor as me. I'm going to put in the new one here. This is also an instructor. So I've added two instructors to this course, so both will be able to get access. Let's click update and go back to the instructor. Let's refresh the page, and they will now have access to that course. In other words, you have added a new instructor who can manage this course for you, even though you created the course in the first instance. Site instructors can really help you managing your courses or even running them. These are course instructors on Zenler.